Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the fan replacement on your HP 14DH laptop, first, gather the following tools: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to avoid any static discharge. Make sure to work on a flat, clean surface to keep everything organized. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging the power adapter. It's essential to ensure there's no residual power. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out carefully. This step will prevent any accidental short circuits during the process. Now, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Use the Phillips #0 screwdriver to remove the screws, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly. There may be a few screws hidden under rubber feet or stickers, so check carefully. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at a corner and work your way around to avoid breaking any clips. Be patient, as forcing it can damage the clips. Inside, you'll see the fan assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the inside of the laptop using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you need assistance with this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard by gently lifting the connector. Remove the screws securing the fan to the chassis. Keep track of these screws, as you'll need them for the new fan installation. With the old fan removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new fan in place, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure the fan by tightening the screws you removed earlier. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the fan. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. This step is crucial for the fan to function correctly. After the fan is installed, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back cover on and press down gently until all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws, starting from the corners and working your way to the center for a snug fit. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug in the power adapter. Power on your laptop to test the new fan. Listen for any unusual sounds, and ensure the fan is operating properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free with no calls and no travel needed. Before concluding, if you're uncertain about any step or prefer a professional service, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and satisfaction. With that, your HP 14DH laptop should now run cooler and more efficiently with the new fan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.